Hi everyone and welcome to World Hotel Reviews. I'm Rebecca. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow today. We're heading to one of Europe's most romantic cities to explore the dreamy Four Seasons Hotel Prague. Let's check it out. Hotel overview, location, and exterior. This stunning hotel sits right on the banks of the Vltava River in central Prague, with Charles Bridge and the Old Town just a 5-minute walk away. The location is unbeatable. The building blends beautiful Baroque and neoclassical architecture. It's the perfect match for the city's fairy tale scenery. Step into the lobby and you're greeted with marble accents, cozy lighting, and curated Czech artwork that sets an elegant tone. Rooms and views. The rooms, spacious and stylish, floor-to-ceiling windows frame, breathtaking views of Prague Castle or the Old Town. Marble bathrooms and plush beds add a luxurious touch. If you can, upgrade to a castle view. Deluxe room, trust me, the morning view is unforgettable. Dining main restaurant and rooftop at CottoCrudo. The hotel's signature restaurant, enjoy an Italian-Czech fusion menu with rich pastas, fresh seafood, and a top-notch breakfast. In warmer months, head up to the rooftop. Pop-up MIRU for sushi and cocktails, paired with stunning sunset views. It's a total vibe. Spa and wellness. Need to unwind? Their spa has everything: a vitality pool, treatment rooms, and a full fitness center. After a day of walking Prague's cobblestone streets, it's the perfect way to relax. Rates and guest insights. Rates start at around $275 per night. For a luxury hotel in high season, it's actually a solid value considering the location and service. Guest reviews rave about the spectacular views and attentive staff. One tip: since it's downtown, noise can creep in at night. So request a quiet, river-facing room for the best experience. Traveler. Tip: don't miss the hotel's private vintage Riva boat tour on the Vltava River. You'll glide past Prague's iconic sights from the water. It's magical. Who it's for this place is perfect for couples or luxury travelers who want a prime location, unforgettable views, and 5-star comfort. If you're traveling with family or on a tighter budget, stay tuned. We'll cover great mid-range options in future videos. Booking info and outro. You can copy the hotel name from the video description or comments and search it directly, or use the Agoda booking link we've included for your convenience. Ending. That's a wrap on the Four Seasons Hotel Prague. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. This was Rebecca, and I'll see you in the next hotel review. Let me know if you'd like this turned into captions, a script for voiceover, or even a YouTube Shorts version. We can make your channel truly global.